Welcome to in front of me XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device like 5 tries, and we'll see how fast this unlock method is on our device. So I'll just try if I'm sitting in a good position, and as can you see, yeah, that's everything is good. And let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really good than the fast, and I just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. I'm just in the glasses. I'm sitting and I'll unlock the device with the glasses, but now I'll try to do this without my glasses. And as can you see, the face unlock works in the both situations. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method. If you just don't like some pin codes or passcodes unlock methods, you can try the face recognition, but don't forget that the face unlock test method is less secure than the pin codes, passcodes, and patterns, because someone can unlock the device with your just photo of your face. So just be careful with this. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.